2025 has been a whirlwind for Ripple and its cryptocurrency XRP. Big-name partnerships, surging bank adoption, and even some wild rumors fueling excitement. It's been emotional and exciting, and it might be the start of Ripple's most remarkable chapter yet. Let's start with the saga that dominated Ripple's story, its fight with the SEC. That 4-year battle finally ended in March 2025, and it ended in Ripple's favor. Ripple settled the case by paying only $50 million, a far cry from the billions the SEC originally sought. Crucially, the court officially confirmed XRP is not a security. This was the outcome the XRP community had long prayed for. CEO Brad Garlinghouse was jubilant, declaring that the war on crypto has ended in defeat for those who tried to stifle the industry. You can imagine the relief among XRP holders. No surprise, XRP's price jumped about 10% on the news as years of uncertainty lifted. With no admission of wrongdoing by Ripple, the legal clouds cleared and a new era began. If you're enjoying this kind of content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us grow and keeps the good stuff coming. Legal clarity in hand, Ripple wasted no time expanding. The biggest headline? Amazon is partnering with Ripple. In April, Amazon announced plans to integrate XRP as a payment option on its global e-commerce platform. This is huge. It means in the near future, millions of Amazon shoppers could transact with XRP. Amazon even outlined a system to reward users with crypto for using XRP, according to an official white paper. Seeing a household name like Amazon embrace XRP marked a major breakthrough for mainstream crypto adoption. Meanwhile, adoption in the banking sector is accelerating. In Japan, nearly 80% of banks are set to integrate XRP for cross-border payments by the end of 2025. This initiative, led by Ripple's partner SBI Holdings, aims to make international transfers faster and cheaper throughout Japan's banking network. It's a bold move that could position Japan as a leader in blockchain-powered finance, and it underscores the real utility that financial institutions are now assigning to XRP. Ripple is also making moves on the institutional side. In one of the largest crypto industry deals ever, Ripple agreed to acquire Hidden Road, a major digital asset brokerage, for $1.25 billion. This acquisition, announced in April, makes Ripple the first crypto company to own a global prime broker. Why does that matter? It gives Ripple direct access to Wall Street-like services and clients. Hidden Road will start leveraging Ripple's technology, even using Ripple's new USD-backed stablecoin, RLUSD, to connect traditional finance with crypto markets. In short, Ripple is positioning itself as a bridge between the crypto world and big institutional money. From retail giants to banks, and now prime brokers, Ripple's network is growing in every direction. XRP's role has evolved from just a digital asset into a bona fide bridge currency used for real-world payments, settlements, and liquidity. Each new partnership in 2025 has added more credibility to Ripple's vision of transforming global finance. As if all the confirmed news weren't enough, the rumor mill has been in overdrive too. The biggest speculation this year? That Ripple might team up with Swift, the global banking network. Whispers started after a former Swift insider claimed some banks tested XRP on Swift's system. Could the backbone of international money transfers adopt XRP? The mere idea sent excitement through the community. So far, no official plan has been announced, and experts say the rumors are likely overstated. Still, the fact that such a rumor gained traction shows how far Ripple's reputation has come. Just imagining Swift potentially using XRP for global transfers was enough to get people talking. Even if this remains just speculation, it highlights the growing belief that Ripple's tech could mesh with the world's largest payment networks. All these developments have reinvigorated XRP's market performance. The token rallied hard on the back of good news, climbing from under $1 last year to briefly over $3 in early 2025. Even after cooling off, XRP has been holding well above $2, territory it hadn't seen in years before this comeback. Wall Street is taking notice too. This April saw the launch of the first US XRP exchange-traded fund, a 2x leveraged ETF that debuted to surprisingly strong demand. And there's growing chatter about a possible spot XRP ETF down the line. One Bloomberg analyst called a spot ETF a game changer that would connect XRP to traditional finance and potentially unleash a new wave of investors. Many analysts are now bullish on XRP's prospects. With the legal saga over and real adoption growing, some predict significant upside ahead. There are forecasts of XRP hitting $5 or even $10 within the next couple of years, if momentum continues. The logic is simple. As more banks and businesses use XRP, demand and value could rise. Of course, not everyone expects a straight shot upward. A few cautious experts think XRP might consolidate around current levels for a while, especially if the broader crypto market faces headwinds. But overall, sentiment has flipped overwhelmingly positive. Even institutional investors are returning. Recent reports show XRP has been attracting fresh inflows from big players, now that regulatory fears have eased. It's a stark turnaround from the dark days when many exchanges delisted XRP. So far, 2025 has been a triumphant comeback for Ripple and XRP. A once looming legal threat has been vanquished, opening the door for Ripple to execute its vision without handcuffs. And execute it did, forging alliances with corporate titans, bringing banks and brokers into its ecosystem, and reminding everyone why XRP was once a top 3 cryptocurrency. What's most compelling is that these developments are not just hype or speculation, they are real actions with real players involved. Yes, challenges remain, and the crypto market is always volatile, but the trajectory for Ripple looks brighter than ever. We've witnessed Ripple go from underdog to a crypto powerhouse, rewriting the narrative in 2025. If the rest of the year continues on this path, XRP's story could redefine what mainstream success in crypto looks like. It's been one incredible ride so far, and it's likely just the beginning of a new chapter for Ripple's XRP. If this video brought you value, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Let's dive even deeper into crypto together.